Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into impulse. 8 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Urge. Which means a strong desire or impulse. Urge. For example, I also have this urge to travel. Number 2. Compulsion. Which means an irresistible urge to behave in a certain way. Compulsion. For example, he felt a compulsion to babble on about what had happened. Number 3. Whim. Which means a sudden desire or change of mind, especially one that is unusual or unexplained. Whim. For example, she bought it on a whim. Number 4. Fancy. Which means a superficial or transient feeling of liking or attraction. Fancy. For example, this was no passing fancy, but a feeling he would live by. Number 5. Caprice. Which means a sudden and unaccountable change of mood or behavior. Caprice. For example, the caprices of the electorate. Number 6. Desire. Which means a strong feeling of wanting to have something or wishing for something to happen. Desire. For example, I had a desire to see the world. Number 7. Notion. Which means an impulse or desire, especially one of the whimsical kind. Notion. For example, you can't expect us to fire any of our staff just because you get a notion to come back. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.